This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in Kali Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button in Kali Linux, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to my little Applications button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down and place my mouse cursor over Settings. And then I'll slide straight off to the right, and I'll scroll down to where I see it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, I am on the Devices tab. And right down here, Buttons, left-handed or right-handed. By default, it's probably set to right-handed, which means your mouse's primary button will be on the left side. But if you use the left-handed one, if you toggle that one on, your primary mouse button changes to the right side. That is how to change your primary mouse button in Kali Linux. Thanks for watching.